We availed the guided tour plus honey harvesting in celebration of World Bee Day. It was fun and wonderful activity. My daughter surely enjoy her experience. Though the place is smaller compared to other museum, but it is enough for your toddler to not be overstimulated due to overwhelming new experience. We choose to celebrate our wedding anniversary in Museo Pambata and it didn't disappoint. And it's nice to know that they opt to have Klook to explore other payment options. Kid-friendly displays and activities, very nice staffs, and a great experience even for kids at heart. We were late for our tour time but still they accommodated and explained what we missed. Me and my wife had lots of fun, especially since there was a honey harvesting workshop. Though marketed for kids, adults can have fun too if they summon their silly inner child. I would totally recommend the place for couples, with or without children. Very educational and my kids love it.